if you're starting out fresh and you have absolutely zero experience in real estate, I want you to consider this. Start creatively investing in real estate. We call it investing dealing. We call it dealing, okay? It's not really investing. Investing is when you buy something and you hold it for appreciation, or you hold it so that you can rent it or something, and you parlay it into wealth. That's investing. What we do is dealing. Why? Because we want to make money now, okay? We need to pay the bills right now. So you need $10,000 now, you need $20,000 or 30. So what we call real estate, or the creative part of real estate, is actually dealing. You can create wealth, of course. I mean, that's really up to you. So here's what I want you to consider. Starting with little or no cash. That's safer. So that way you don't have to put $10,000 or $15,000 of your hard-earned money down on a piece of property that you don't know if you can turn, and you've never did any kind of rehabbing before, and then something happens and you try to sell it and you go negative, or you lose your $15,000. That's not a way to get into real estate. There's a lot of people that come to me and tell me that that's how they started, and real estate investing doesn't work, or all that in creative rehab, whatever, doesn't work. That's not true. Not at all. What works is proper planning. You need a little bit of education, okay, from people like me that have done it, and we can tell you avoid this mine and do this, right? Lots of people here on YouTube can tell you that. And I'm going to tell you that the best way, I think, to get started in real estate is to do it creatively, is to become a dealer. And I'm going to show you how in a minute. So the great way, or the great reason why you want to start this way, is you're going to get your feet wet right away. Okay? You're going to get your feet wet right away. With a little information, you can actually turn a property and make $10, $15, $20, $30,000 just like that. And it's just a little bit of information. It's something that you just need to know, and if you just apply yourself, you apply yourself more, then you need money. And one of those techniques are subject to investing, where it's not investing. We call it investing, but it's subject to. Actually, it is. Why? Because I'm instructing you not to turn around and sell it, but to sell it slowly through a lease option. But anyway, so I was saying about the benefits. The benefits are you get your feet wet right away. You don't need any money, or if you need any at all, is very little. And you get started right away. You're going to learn a great deal in a very short amount of time. And you'll make money along the way. And you don't need a license for sure. And like I said, you need zero cash or very little of your own money. And this can be done in the United States as well as Canada. And because a lot of people from Canada have told me that they have gone back and went and did them too. And also, this can even be done long distance, because I'm here in California. Some people have been doing this from California, and they go to places like Texas and was it Arkansas? Something like that, or Kansas, one of them. But they go to the different states, and they go where they can find the deals and stay right here while they're investing there. Okay, and I can teach you more about that. But definitely get into real estate investing for this year. It's gonna do you some good, believe me. Because even if you did a lot of work and you studied a lot and you only made $5,000, then you're $5,000 richer and a lot of knowledge richer. I'll see you next time.